Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I am going to tell you how you can fix your ear speaker problem in your device Xiaomi Redmi Note 10T. So if your ear speakers are not working properly in Xiaomi Redmi Note 10T, you can make it work by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix your ear speaker problem in your device.